911, what's your emergency?
I'm about to kill my wife.
It wasn't me. You know that. The judge is the one who decided that she should...
The judge didn't do anything that you didn't let him do. You, Sarah!
Please don't do this. I still care about you.
No. It's not like before. Not like when we were happy.
I was gonna tell you. I was gonna tell you where we were once she got settled.
Don't lie to me! You know, it's the little details that you start to lose first. Her laugh, her smile, those little details. You know, I was at this party last week talking with this guy, and he asked me, hey man, got any kids? I said, yeah. He says, you got a boy or a girl? I said, I got a little girl. And then he asked me, hey, how tall is she now? And you know what I said? I said, I don't know. I mean, I wish you could have seen the look on this guy's face. I should know this!
She's 4'7".
Don't tell me that! I don't need you to tell me that. I'm her father.
Please, Patrick, I'm still your wife.
Yeah, that's right, you are. Well, let's fix that. Till death do us part, right?
No.
Right.
Mommy!
Alex, go back to your room.
No, my mommy!
No, it's okay, Alex. It's okay. See? Don't cry. It's okay. Look how beautiful you are. It's beautiful. All those little details.
Patrick, I'm taking Alex and we're leaving now. Honey, go to your room and get your backpack. I'll be there in a minute.
No. She's my daughter too.
Just listen, Patrick.
I'm gonna find you again. And the next time, I'm taking everything from you.
I understand.
What's your emergency?
I'm about to kill my husband.